Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV. Just a bit of breaking news to bring to you right now on the program. So we have been reliably informed that popular businessman and one of Jamaica's pioneer in the tourism sector, Butch Stewart, has passed away. This news was confirmed by a number of media outlets just a few minutes ago. So we have been informed that he passed away in the United States after ailing for some time. Details surrounding the cause of his passing after we were reliably informed is still unclear. But right now, a number of top dignitaries have took to social media just in order to send their condolences to his family and friends. One such person is the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness, dancehall recording artist Shaggy as well, and a number of other people on the local and international scene have took to social media just in order to express their condolences to his family and friends. And we here at Links 7 TV just want to take this opportunity as well just to express our heartfelt condolences to his family and friends. As you know, Mr. Bush Stewart was one of those individuals that played an integral role in the development of the tourism sector, not only in Jamaica but on an international scale as well. And it's sad to see that he passed away. And I know that his family right now and his close friends and associates are having a difficult time to cope with such a sad news, because even though he was ailing, no one expected a news such as this. And it's very sad to see that he passed away. But we'll try our very best to provide you with the latest update in relation to what really transpired leading up to his passing. However, that information is not available right at this time, but we're just informing you about the latest that we have in relation to this. So we have an update to come later on today in relation to what really transpired. So stay tuned for that to come. This is Links 7 TV breaking news report, and we're out for this one. Peace out and bless.